Uneu nohikai udeu nohikai jong school ba NEHU behikai haka Hindi department but udeu belatip kerteng ngumu Dr. Alok Singh baru lah syat thombor ke office terekam jong u kat kum kejing keno jong u uloong ba ki ba thombor u udei president ka NEHUSU usandi sotun ki wede ki samla puli jong ne ke school ba habakren ni gelat patai ku bora ka arpusan terek uya yong arajar arpusan u Dr. Alok Singh ulai tho bah ka arpusau terek uya yong ha kapor kumba sandunash pawai ai Presiden kan NEHUSU bat ki kat to kan ngot ki kena pulih ki lawan cuk office terekam jong u bat ki la khang ya ke jengkhang bat ki la kni e ka phone ke jong u bat arngut na ki la bat ka kti jong u shadien bat arngut bat ki la show u da ka bakan no bu ne no kai ula le ki kam san perthai hapo jong ne school ba udiu no kai ula kan ru ba tang ba ki la bateng ka jing show u kum ba arsan minit nrei ki la shimru da ka khan shi khap kot bat panam rendang jong u bat ki la bernyam bat pediap u Halor kini kejeng syak thombor u Dr. Alok Singh ulada ben ujor ke ejahar ha ka mau kendro police station. Halor kejeng kendo syak thombor uwe unai kai ke skol ba NEHU ha ki kena pulih jong ke skol ba. Ka administrative block jong ke skol ba NEHU klarai ban thawe ke committee ke bonwat benya halor kini kejeng ja. Habakran bat u public relations officer ke skol ba NEHU uba Davidson Pongrup ulang ba ke skol ba kla thau ke committee ke menwat benya ke daw ke baja kum ngene ke jingja bat ulah ke dawru ba kim tip manu badan keti namar kim don lang ha ke por baja ngene ke jingja Hendrai ke NEHU kedai ke jaka ban pulia bat kam kershan kum ngene ke jingja kum ta ke penpau ke jing penremjur halor ke ne ke jingja
that yesterday I'm going civil hospital and check up my all things, that is my hand also showing and my that all things is actually okay. And civil hospital going and then some injection given me and x-ray. Doctor says not anything because he's beating me only hand and in my backside and my leg and head. So in my chamber that one paper cutting that knife and then my neck that paper cutting knife and then he says ki, I killed you. So this incident I'm not forgotten. Please or I pray ki it provides security because I am feeling not very well because this incident that mentally and healthily I am very weak. So that's why sir. Last that police protection and police inform because I am not going I am not speak the voice. So then that in future anyone that can this type incident do that. So I thought I'm because my mother is also police. So then he says you go to the FIR and then I do in morning FIR and then police taken the decision what to do.
You know them personally?
Yeah, some that face I know very well. Is NEHUSU president is Sandy Southern and 5 members. Is this incident doing? So he says ki no, not anything. Please sit down and don't speak anything. And then two-person that take hold my hand and then beat me and that continuously then beating me and in my hand, in my leg, in my that head is that beating me and many times I say ki what happened, please tell me what happened. Well, like, don't speak anything, you doing here politics. So I say ki I'm feeling very bad because I'm not doing anything wrong work and then uh, some student came and beat me. This is good, yeah, bad. Please decide all people because I am mentally and healthily and physically I am very feeling bad. I'm not properly speak because as a teacher I'm not that imagine ki this type incident in my life this do.
Iwe I nong hikai I Shah assault physically te katkum kajing ong jong tau nong hikai uang ba dei ki khna rengim tip satya ba dei manu te hakani kapor ki u tu khna u professor u dong hikai jong ka Hindi department ula file ya ka FIR shaka moken ro outpost but ki pulit ki dang ya wat ya ka daw balai ka ja kum kita ka jinja ha ka campus jong ka university mangi na kaliang ka NEHU but ka administration ngim kwa ba kum kini ki jinja kanja ha ka campus jong ka university ka jaka ule puthi te ngi kwa ba kinong hikai but kumjo ki khna kindan ha ka safety ha ka security but ni kermen ba kum kini ki jinja kinum ja shu ha kani ka university ha apo ka campus jong ka university but ka university ru menta kadang form ya ka committee ban pet ban wat ka daw ka baja kum kita ka jinja te ngin da form ya ka committee kan sa wat ya ka daw but menta ngimla ban kamen manu ba bakla ne man ka jinja manu ba khamle ngimla ban ong tikna ya ki nong le mo kat kumba ong itai nong hikai te menta hakani kapor ngishu kwa ban ong ni phi ki pai ba ka NEHU kadai ka jaka ban pule but ka university ka condemn yakum kita ki jingle ne jingye Shoh ka hakaba ka physical altercation ka kadan ha ka university ngim ko ba kandan kum gini ki jingja tingi kermen maka pulit kan yo ya ka solution ya kan yo man wat ya ka daw ka jingja jong kanika physical altercation hapadang kini ki arman ka committee kan sa form da ka da i vice chancellor in charge in sa form ya ka committee but in sa bu ya ki members ha atu ki ka committee pada kin sadan kinong hikai ki members na ki association ru ki ban sa wat ya ka daw balai ba ka ja kum ta ka jinja
So bau ini nak kai kena bau presiden yang kali NEHUSU bau keti bau.
ngim la ban ong tikna manu badan keti manu bamdan keti te ngila ban ong tang ya kata hi ba ngim dan ha kata ka por ha tu ka jaka te tang tu ki witness ki badan hang tu ki la ban ong ngim dan ngi shu yo snow na ini i nong hikai ba dan ki khna ki ba jerong keti ya i te kani kin ya wat ba ki pulit kadai ka kam jong ki pulit ban wat ba ka inquiry committee tu ka ban sa form ba ka university administration